Section 1. Right cross rock, left recover, right side sasse. Left cross rock, right recover, left sasse, left curtain. Section 2. Right fold, left half turn pivot. Left curtain, right sasse, right curtain fold. Left fold, right half turn pivot. Right curtain, left side sasse. Section 3. Right back lock, left recover, right fold shuffle. Left fold lock, right recover, left back shuffle. Section 4. Right back lock, left recover, right fold, left half pivot. Right fold, left half pivot. Right side lock, left recover. One, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.